How to remove background in Capcut PC. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove the background in Capcut PC. This guide will walk you through the process step by step, and let's get started. Open Capcut on your PC and create a new project. Click the Import button to add your video file and drag it onto the timeline. Select the video clip in the timeline by clicking on it. Go to the right side of the screen. Here are the properties of the editing tools. Select the Remove Background option and tick here to the auto removal. Capcut will process the video and the background will be removed within seconds. Preview the result to ensure the subject is properly isolated. If needed, fine-tune the edges of the subject by adjusting the edge intensity or other settings under the cutout menu. Add a new background by importing an image or video and placing it in the layer beneath your subject on the timeline. Once you're satisfied with the result, click the Export button to save your video. And that's how you remove the background in Capcut PC. It's a super handy feature that lets you get creative with your edits effortlessly. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.